Good afternoon. Today it's Lisa's daughter's birthday, so I am going to sing her happy birthday. Oh, so you're going to sing Maria happy birthday, are you? Yes, I'm going to try anyway. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dearie. Happy birthday to you. Oh, well done. You knew all the words. Yes, I'm clever like that. I'm a clever monkey. Don't you know? Well, yes, I do know that you're a very clever monkey. So what do you think Maria may be doing today? Eating cake. Cake, cake. And Ian? Oh, cake. Well, yes, she probably is eating cake. Anything else? Chocolate. I love chocolate. Oh, it's a shame you're not with Maria today then, isn't it? Yes, I love